Hi guys, my name is Cole. I'm from up north in Canada. I just want to share my experience with Leon's course and his mentorship. The course itself is very straightforward. It's super easy to read and follow, very detailed. He's got it, the strategy is step by step, and it's hard to miscalculate. If you read all of it and watch the training videos, you can't really go wrong. But my favorite part is the mentorship with it. So my experience with Leon is when I contact him, he's contacting me back he replies within less than 12 to 24 hours. Sometimes it could be even 2 hours, 20 minutes. Like he's very diligent with that, which I appreciate. And then obviously I have a lot of trust in him, man. When I ask questions, he's so straightforward. There's no BS. He's just straight to the point. It's extremely efficient. And if he doesn't have the answer there and then, he says, let me get back to you, that's huge. Like I want to do this right and do it properly. Another big thing is the pace of it. It doesn't matter how long it takes. You can go at your own pace. He's obviously there for, checkups and encouragement, but he's no babysitter. So you got to learn these skills, and he encourages this. You learn the skills on your own time so that you learn it properly. You develop the skills, and then you can run your business. It's not about just going straight forward and selling real quick. But yeah, the course itself, it's pretty simple and straightforward. It's not complicated. It's just put in the work, listen to what he says, follow the syllabus, and if he has questions, he encourages you to ask, which you should do. So he's probably saved me months, maybe even years in my own time of research and trying to figure things out and how to sell on Amazon. So big thanks to Leon for everything he's done for me so far. And I'm pretty damn excited about the future. So I'd recommend him to anyone learning to sell on Amazon, especially beginners like myself. So.